guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some DIY Christmas gifts. I've been making these videos for years now. I love making them every single year. Hope you guys enjoy watching them too. So for this year's video, I decided I would focus on like how to personalize a store-bought gift more and just like how to make that more your own instead of like a gift where you're making entirely from scratch, because I know that can get a little bit expensive actually and take a lot of time. So hopefully these gifts are more accommodating for everyone. Also, once again, this video is sponsored by Caboodles. Huge thank you to them for making this video possible. I will have a link down below to their website if you want to go check it out. Also, if you are not already subscribed, make sure to go ahead and do that. And without further ado, let's get started. So for this first DIY, you're going to need a reusable cup, some brown paper shreds, a coffee shop gift card, and some ribbon. So as for the cup, I'm just using this reusable one from Starbucks so I can add that to the gift, but if you want to save some money, you can also use one of their single-use ones. So start off by adding some of the brown paper shred to the cup and then put your gift card inside. Close the coffee cup up and then tie some ribbon on top. Since I'm doing a Starbucks cup, I decided to tie on some green ribbon on top, and that's it. This is the perfect gift if you have a friend that really loves coffee, and also it's a great way to make a Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts gift card a little bit more personalized and cute. For this next DIY, you're going to need a caboodle, a ton of beauty products, and also some ribbon. Caboodles are a great gift for any of your family members or friends that have a love for beauty supplies and makeup and stuff like that, because chances are they're in need of a way to organize all of their beauty products. So a great way to personalize your caboodle as a gift is just to fill it with a bunch of drugstore beauty products as well. So you can get like scrunchies and little face masks, lipstick, nail polish, and other things like that. This is really great because not only will the person receiving it get an awesome caboodle to store all their makeup in, but they'll also get a ton of new beauty products too. Depending on what style and price range you're going for, Caboodle has lots of different designs and options for you to go for. So they have some bigger, more modern designs like this, and they also have some super cute and colorful retro designs that are kind of smaller if you're looking to spend less money. So if you guys are interested in checking them out, I will have a link to their website down below. So for this next DIY, you're going to need a Polaroid or disposable camera, some printed out pictures of you and the friend you're giving the gift to, a cute little stick-on bow, some ribbon, and some tape. So start off by gathering all your pictures together and then basically just use the ribbon and tie it up like you would a present. So cross it over in the back, then bring it around again in the front and then tie it in a small bow. Once you're done that, just apply some tape on the back of the stack of pictures and stick it on the front of the camera box. For the camera I got a mini Polaroid, so it was only about like $60-ish, but if you want to go on the cheaper end, you could also get a disposable camera too. To finish it off, I put a little sticky bow on top, and that is it for this gift. This is the perfect gift for that one friend that's just always taking photos, especially if it's a friend that you also have a lot of pictures with too. And last but not least, for this final gift, you're going to need a jar of pancake mix, a gift tag, some sprinkles, a mini bottle of maple syrup, a mixing bowl, a whisk and spatula, and some paper shreds or tissue paper. So to make this pancake mix, it's actually a gingerbread pancake mix. All you need to do is combine 1½ cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 heaping teaspoon of ground ginger, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then just whisk that all together and use some kind of funnel to add it into a mason jar. It should fill up 1 regular sized mason jar exactly to the top. Then just go ahead and seal that shut and add a label to it that basically says what you need to do to make this into pancakes. I'll have the recipe links down below, but it's pretty much just a cup of water and an egg. After you've made the pancake mix, get your mixing bowl and add in a bunch of brown paper shreds. Then just put in the pancake mix along with some sprinkles, the syrup, and also the spatulas and whisk. I chose to go for a Christmas theme here, but any kind of kitchen set would do. And yeah, that is it for this DIY gift. This is perfect if you have anyone in your family who likes to cook a lot, especially if they like to bake. It's a lot more personal than just getting them like a regular old kitchen set because you can make the pancake mix from scratch and it can be really cute. Hope you all enjoyed that video. If you are not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have an Instagram and a Twitter, both at Ella_Elbells. So go ahead and follow me in all of those, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!